Welcome to Food with Ruhi, your daily food recipe cooking channel. Do not forget to subscribe. 2 tablespoon yogurt, half tablespoon meat tenderizer, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix well now. Add 500 grams chicken. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. 1 spoon oil. Add marinated chicken. Half cup water. Cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Add 100 grams butter. 50 grams white flour. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Add 2 cup milk. Mix well. Half tablespoon salt. 2 cubes paneer. 2 slices of cheese. Cook on low flame until cheese melts. Paneer reshmi is getting ready, guys. Add sliced onion and capsicum. We are almost there. The yummy reshmi paneer handi. Wow! Add cheese mixture.
Yes!
Mix and cover for 3 minutes.